Singer Anthony Redrose got his breakthrough hit in 1985 with the song Tempo. Tempo was actually a salute to the sound systems. Let's hear some more about this breakthrough song for this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
I just love how the dancehall girls keep dancing in a timing. At a reggae-matical style, just a flash on the radio.
Redrose, back in the 1980s, you had a breakthrough hit with Tempo. How did Tempo come about? What was the inspiration behind that song?
Well, Tempo is a song I used to go to dance and sing it around the songs. Because it's a song where I sing about sound. Right? So I never have the intention to say I'm going to voice it for now. 45, right? So we used to go dance and get pay forward in that tempo. My God, this is sound in a tempo. So one day I go around at Tubby's. It's my first time going around Tubby's. I follow sing a name Bunny Lai Lai. You know, because I used to live at Spanish Town them time there. So me just jump in a cab with them and go over there. And I go sing something special. So I sing the tempo on a special. And I sing it, King Tubby's come out of his office and come to me and say, come here you out. And I go to him and say, you know what that you sing? I say, what? The man said, you know how much sound in the world? Every sound in the world I go and play that when you sing. You don't need radio station for that song, the boss.
With a little of this, a little of that. Girls them a bubble like a soup in a pot. Some like it cold, some like it hot, hey. Whoa.
He said, "More you come record it down here. But I go build a rhythm for it." And him calling the musician them and build the rhythm and go back around there. Tubby said, "You can't voice the song straight?" And I said, "Oh, you mean? I'm going to sing it every night. I dance and sing it on dub and them things." And I said, "Well, voice it. I will mix it same time and then voice it. I'm going to just voice it."
So Tubby's was a producer for the song?
Yeah, King Tubby's.
Whoa, ho, ho, like a soup in a pot. Tempo, my God, it's a sound in a tempo. Whoa, fever, my God, and the sound in a fever.
When you heard the song on the radio for the first time, what was the feeling like for you? How did your family and friends react?
I turn idiot. I can't believe that my voice is like that on radio. I can't, trust me. I turn fool, man. It's like me looking at space. You know, like you get a lick in your head and you don't know yourself. That feeling that I get. When I hear the song on the radio, I say, "John, I'm family and my little brother, them I say, Tony, are you that?"
When Tempo took off and went to #1 on the charts, how did that change life for you?
Well, Tempo take me everywhere in the world. Everywhere in the world. The same thing what King Tubby say, I hate happen. Every sound man want to be my friend. Every sound man come for that song there. Up to this day, I can't stop singing.
Skin and win a ramp, get ignorant. Think a lie sound, boy come try. A idiot sound, we call that low-fi. High tempo, my God.
And that's how we make our exit from Hope Gardens and this week's episode of Pree. I'm your host Naldo Addy, and I'll see you next time.